Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings and going straight to Bluetooth because that's where device-specific Siri controls live. Once done, locate your AirPods in the Paired Devices list and tap the information icon. This step reveals the AirPods configuration screen. You're doing this so you can change announce behavior per device, not globally. Make sure your AirPods are connected. If not, put them in your ears or case to wake the connection. Then return to the Bluetooth list and tap the letter 24D8 for the next step. You'll see announce messages with Siri in the AirPods settings. Tap that entry and toggle it off to stop automated reads. This turns off the feature for audio routed to your AirPods, preventing incoming messages from interrupting. Once the toggle is off, make sure to check announce messages if you want finer control, because that setting can override device behavior for certain contact groups. If you prefer only mentions muted, use the per contact options so only critical messages break through. You finish by confirming the toggle is off and then testing with a quick message from another device. This proves the setting applied. If Siri still announces, reconnect the AirPods or restart your iPhone because cache states sometimes persist. Make sure focus modes or notifications permission aren't re-enabling announcements. Disable announce messages in those areas if needed. If problems persist, reset your AirPods in Bluetooth settings and repair them. That clears stubborn profiles and restores.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.